Okay, we are now going to start with IELTS speaking part 1 and I'll ask you some questions, right? So,
What's the best present or gift you have ever received?
I ever received a watch from my cousin. He came from Dubai, and he gave me a Rado watch, and unfortunately I broke last year when I was in party. My friend.
okay, that's it. Now don't tell us about party.
Yeah.
Until this point, it's okay. Okay. You understand how your answers become irrelevant. Topic is gift and just stick to that. By the way, this is good. Yeah, keep it up like this. Next.
Do you give expensive gifts?
No, I don't give expensive gifts because I think that when we give expensive gift, then they also give us expensive gifts. I don't like to receive expensive gifts. That's it.
All right, that's good. It's much better. Keep it up. इलाज करा लिया है ना? Good job. Next.
What kind of gifts do people give in your country?
The people in my country, they like to give types of watch and perfumes and that's it.
This is short answer and that's it. And this is not good, okay? So you can use other conjunctions also other than and. All right, one last question. Would you like to buy any gift for your friend or family member?
Yeah, today is my cousin's birthday.
Cousin's birthday.
Cousin birthday, and after class I want to buy a cake because he like a chocolate lava. He likes a chocolate lava cake, and after my class I will buy for
That's very good. Okay. From where will you buy the cake?
cakes and bakes.
All right, fantastic. All the best with that, huh?